Welcome. In this video we're going to take a look at a set of radio power plugs, sometimes also called T-type 2-pole plugs. These are commonly found on a lot of your mobile GMRS and also ham radio equipment. I think where they get the name T connector is the fact that one is orientated vertically and the other one crosses it like a T up there on the front. But these are prevalent on mobile radio equipment and handy to have around, and this little kit is available on Amazon, and I got it and made this Y actually because I'm adding this GMRS radio to my truck that already has a ham radio in it. So this Y gives me the chance to plug into the cable that's already coming from my battery and then split it into two inputs into the two radios. And you know, I'll never be broadcasting, which is where all the current draw is. I'll never be broadcasting on both radios at the same time. At least I don't think it'll get that bad, but who knows? I could be wrong. But anyway, one thing you want to do when you make these connectors is make sure that you get the housing and the lug correct. If we look at the kit here, it's got the housings and the pins, and it has both male spades and female spades, and the housings are male and female as well. What's important is whatever the housing is, you use the opposite spade lug. So this is the female housing. It has the male terminals in it. This is the male housing. It has the female connectors in it. Just make sure you get that straight, and then make sure you put them in correctly. There is a locking tab on each one of these, and you want to make sure that it gets orientated correctly so that it latches securely in place. Otherwise you could get a pushed pin and it could ruin your radio install quick. So just go slow, take your time, and you can make a quality cable like this guy and open up your world of radio power. Thanks for watching, everybody.